Operations, yeah. If you think about your business, I mean, you may not necessarily have operations for the sake of it, but there's always something going on that needs to be managed. Admin processes, massive one. So many people using VAs to do repetitive work. And now, while I'm all for VAs, sometimes that repetitive work can actually be further automated with the right kind of spreadsheet. So if you think about it, managing processes, when you get to the stage of the process, you usually want to type up a letter or a notification for the client saying this or saying that. Spreadsheets can do that kind of thing. Attendance rosters, big one, especially for networking events, those kind of things, but also for people coming into work and subcontractors and things like that. Charity management, we've done all sorts of specialist spreadsheets for specifically for charities. Deadlines and dates, if you've got targets that you've set yourself in order to achieve for each project, or you've got processes and deadlines and dates for each thing, it can monitor and track that, as well as job cards. If you remember back in the day, we'd often have a piece of paper with a job card, and you write all information about that job, what's happening, and then that would get filed away. And then we moved over to computers, and obviously now you've got fancy CRM systems that should do that. But sometimes the CRM systems are just so massive and just so complicated that people want to stay away from it because they want something much simpler. So we make very simple job cards where you can have it exactly the information you want to keep for the job on that job card, put the information in, and actually have that monitor where you ought to be, where you should be, what's been done. And if there are any spin-off documents, like for argument's sake, a PDF document to tell the client where you are, what's been done, those kind of things can be added to it. So as you enter the information, everything updates automatically. So those kind of things, job cards, very, very popular.